Stem cells not only have many uses, but also have an immense possibility of treating diseases and are one of the most important next generation topics. The applications of stem cells can be used in treatment for cardiovascular diseases, bone regeneration, eyesight, diabetes, and many more, and it opens up tremendous possibilities for different treatments for human diseases and are a valuable asset to the next generation. So what are stem cells? Stem cells are unique cells that have the ability to produce both copies of themselves and other specialized cell types every time they undergo mitosis. They are important to the maintenance of different tissues, like blood and muscles. The main aspect about stem cells are the stem cells are unspecialized, which means they do not have just a set properties. Self-renewal is a process in which stem cells can reproduce and make more copies of itself, but differentiation stem cells can also divide and create more specialized cell types. There are three main types of stem cells. The first one is embryonic stem cells, which are derived from the human embryo and then later on grown in a laboratory. Embryonic stem cells are pluripotent and have a wide range of applications as they are able to produce various specialized cell types infinitely. The second type of stem cells are adult stem cells. These stem cells are taken from the person's own skin and then used. However, adult stem cells are multipotent, unlike stem cells, which means they can only produce a limited number of specialized cells. A more recent type, induced pluripotent stem cells, these are cells that are reprogrammed cells and are made from adult stem cells. These adult stem cells can be reprogrammed in the laboratory to act like embryonic stem cells. This discovery was crucial as it introduced the possibility of curing a disease by using a cell from a person's own skin without there being much ethical controversy over using embryonic stem cells from a human embryo. Stem cells have many applications that can be extremely useful to us. Firstly, they can be used to study development. Stem cells help us to understand how cells work and how they develop from the fertilized egg. This could help scientists understand what controls normal development, and in some cases, what goes wrong. Some serious medical conditions like cancer and birth defects are due to these abnormal cell divisions, and a better understanding of how the structure and controls of these cells could help scientists suggest new strategies for therapy. Another reason is that stem cells have the ability to replace damaged cells and potentially treat disease. This is already used in treatment of the blood system in patients with leukemia and other blood disorders. As of right now, donated tissues and organs are often used to replace damaged tissues, but the need for those donors are increasing while the supply is decreasing, and it is not sufficient. Stem cells can produce different specialized cell types and have the potential to cure many serious illnesses, such as diabetes, Parkinson's, and stroke.